Ladies and gentlemen, may we have your attention, please? Please be advised that severe weather, including lightning, is within the immediate vicinity of Raymond James Stadium at this time. We are asking that all fans seek shelter on the covered concourse nearest your seat. For those with club access seats, you may walk up the stairs and into the club or proceed to the nearest concourse or ramp. If you are seated on the floor, please make your way through the tunnel C and D. If you are sitting in the 100 level, please proceed up to the main concourse and ramps. If you are in the corner 200 level seats, please walk down the stairs to the main concourse and ramps.